So friends, I am Soumitra from Mindra Auto Project Information. It's something different today, right? So we are shooting from a location here and just wanted to talk about storage systems in the past. And we can typically see there is a place in Maharashtra near Satara. So it is called as Bara Moteche Vihir. So moat means what? Moat means the extraction system. You can see that all those, the hinges type of things. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that, there are 15, places where there are holes, and actually from there, people used to put ropes and lift the water from here. Okay, so that is called as Bara Moteche Vihir. So it is actually 15, but 12 were in operation all the time. So this water comes from where actually? This water actually, if you see these water, this is a typical well. Okay, it's nothing different than a well. But the water, you can see that the patterns of water, where it comes from. Sneha, can you take the camera a little up? So where the border is there. You can see there is a clear distinction. There is a color distinction between the upper portion of the inner portion of the well. It is a little darker, and this is the downer portion. It is little, you can see that it is whiter. So it indicates that till that time, in the rainy seasons, actually we get the water stored till that point. So it is like that. So it is an indication of the salts which are there. Okay. So now the level has gone down. So we are in the month of what is the month? March. So in the month of March, this is the position of the whole thing. And there used to be entrance. So what they have done is it is said to be built in the some 300 years back when Shivaji Maharaj time. And it is said that they used to do all the strategic talks over here. You can just turn the camera there, Sneha, and you can just show that this portion particularly, from where you can come down. And can we go little up while walking?
Sure. Yes.
So we can see that. Yeah. So you can see these actually roads which go on the top. Okay. So this is actually a ancient water storage system. Okay. But they have converted, like we see some museums which are built on dams. So this is a little older kind of discussion rooms and strategic talks. They used to do it. So it is like that here. And you can see I've showed some stuff going on. Please carry on, no problem. So you can just see here. Sneha, just there is a balcony on top. You can see that. So there used to people have some talks and all that. But this is basically, now you can come here again. So basically this is the storage system. You can see the marking here. So till this point, actually the level has gone down. Okay, and it has gone down. So normally what we believe is, we actually believe that the deeper you go, the saltier is the water. But that is not fact. So it is connected to all the aquifers wherever they are from. So we sometimes get more TDS water, sometimes we get lesser TDS water. So TDS is the total dissolved solids. So in the rocks the water is dissolved. So we really don't know what kind of water it is. So if you go deeper, you may get sweeter water also. So again, coming to the same point, the rawer the water, the better it is, because it is carrying some natural minerals. But this is a typical well system, ancient kind of. So this is Bara Moteche Vihir. So we can also come down from there. That is the road actually from where we are coming down. So yes. So if you want to visit this place, it is hardly some 100 kilometers maybe from Pune. 100 kilometers from Pune. So do visit this place. Thank you.